Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can get the Brave browser into your Windows or how you can download the Brave browser for your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So the Brave browser, if your Google Chrome browser, Microsoft Edge browser, and the Firefox browser is not working fine, then the Brave browser is a really great substitute for that. I mean like the Brave browser, this is a fast browsing application, or this browser is very fast. So let me show you on how you can download that. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Then here type Brave browser download. It's Brave browser download and hit enter. Now you'll find the first option, brave.com, Brave browser download. Download Brave, a free browser. This also blocks ads and trackers and protects your privacy. Brave is available for your Windows, and you just have to click on that. Then you will have this Get Brave for Windows. Then you have to click on that. And the installer file will be downloaded. We just have to wait for this. Once this is done, double click on this and close the Microsoft Edge browser. So we're just going to wait for this. So this is downloading the application. So we just have to wait for this. So this will install the application. And now you have the Brave browser for your Windows. So if you want to set Brave as the default browser, then go ahead and click on that. Then just simply skip this and click on maybe later and click on finish. Now let me show you that this is really a fast browser. So if I'm going to type hi and then hit enter, as fast as that, the results will load. And if I click on one website, it will really load fast. So this is also a great browser for you, and you can use this for free. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.